The suspension is on, so I can actually go drive the car, but I can't technically legally drive it without headlight. I'm gonna try to get the headlights done today, fully sealed, installed at least. Gonna finish up these headlights. This is the original headlight that was in the car, but when I got it, it was just made very janky. It would be a word that I would use. And it's like sealed up with tape, so I'd rather not have tape. I wanted to fully seal everything. The actual brand new headlights, I have this sealed, I have this sealed. These will get sealed by the bulbs and the connectors that will just twist in there. The only bad part is the ballast hole is no longer used. I'm assuming that's the ballast. I've actually never taken apart S2000 headlights before, so I'm assuming that's the ballast that would normally be there, and then it would just loop through and plug into the light from the inside. But in this case, it's no longer being used, so I bought some of these square caps. I still have to trim them, but at least I have something to kind of work with. There's two different sizes. One is like 2 1/4, one is 2 1/2. Both of them technically fit the hole, but I think we're gonna have to use the 2 1/2 because the hole is slightly bigger than I originally thought it was going to be. So let's see what we can come up with. I have my trusty Dremel and an extension cable that I've got to plug in and get the Dremel ready. I'm gonna kind of measure and go from there. Safety first, guys. I don't know if I can see out of these, but sort of. So I'm gonna try one approach first. What I'm gonna do is cut all these ribbings off and literally just have this cap, and I'm gonna measure the hole and cut the cap to that hole and see what I think would work. So let's go from there. So I couldn't find any just regular printing paper because I don't own a printer here. So I took one of my stickers, one from when I was traveling the country in my Tesla, and we're literally gonna take this thing off. Actually, for now, okay. I'm gonna use this piece of paper, just a little, put on here, maybe trace it. Okay. Brain blast, different idea. I'm gonna use transfer paper, same transfer paper that you use to put a sticker on and then peel it up, like this kind of paper. I have a whole roll of. Put it on the hole and literally cut the actual hole that I need, and then all I have to do is just take it off and put it on here and then cut around it. So I think that will work. We'll see. It's worth a shot. Okay, so that's pretty well decent. Okay, just to make sure everything's lined up correctly. Okay, so I can trim that piece, and then I trim this piece. So this just looks like a little rough outline, so that way at least get this cut and then trim it more from there. We have a flat piece that will literally go in here. So it's really close. I need to trim it a little bit more. Okay, I'm pretty proud of myself for this one. What do you guys think? Fits pretty well. It seals up really well. What I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna seal the edge with probably like RTV silicone or like gasket maker or something, and it should seal off the headlight completely on that. So yeah, pretty proud of myself for that. Here I have the brand new headlight. It fits perfectly. Super good. So excited. I've got to run these wires through the cap. So what I'm going to do is actually use one of these rubber grommets and drill a hole, and I'm literally going to put the grommet through the hole and seal it up, and maybe drill 2 itty bitty small holes through here and slide the wires through. I'm literally just going to poke 2 itty bitty holes to get 2 wires through there. That's sealed. Should be fully sealed up. This is the right headlight. Ugh. Passenger side in this car specifically. That was the case. Yep, that was the case. You have to have the headlight on before you turn the brights on. But the brights work. Yeah, you guys can see that. Cool. I bought a bunch of these. These are wire looms, so it's gonna literally make it look so much better. Bracket. There you go. The brights are working. Headlights not yet because I've got to go get the connector. But the car itself is pretty much ready to drive. Like, I think it's good to go. To be able to actually go to the store. So I'm going to the parts store in the S2000. Everything is on. I've got headlights, so I'm legal. So the clutch does need to be bled because there's like this much play. But overall, the car drives well. Okay, so let's see how VTEC hits. It drives good. Not too bad. I'm so excited to have an S2000 again. It's been a long time since I've had one. So we're here at Advanced Auto Parts and I'm looking to get some M6 bolts for this and a headlight connector. So I'm looking for some M6 bolts over here. There should be some. Let's see, that's standard M6. Those look a little too short, but I think these will work. Look what I see. So they didn't have the connector I needed, but I did get some M6 bolts. I think 4 is all I really need. If I need more, I'll probably come back. But as of right now, I need to do some research on this connector and see if I can find the connector. Instead of going to a ballast, just go straight to the headlight. I also forgot Ultra Black Permatex gasket maker, so I'm gonna actually seal the bottom of the headlight where the ballast is. I think this will work. So I got a connector, so it's a female and a male connector. So what I'm gonna do is splice into this original ballast wire. Well, it goes to the ballast, but in this case I don't really have a ballast anymore because I'm going every LED. So this will work and I can splice it into the back of the wire of the bulb and it should work. I only have one though, so I've got to go to another parts store and see if they have another one just to see. They ordered me another one, so they'll have it here by 2 p.m. I just don't want to have to drive all the way back, so maybe I can find it at the AutoZone or the O'Reilly's here. I'm gonna see if AutoZone has this connector. Let's get this headlight working correctly. Here are the connectors. You know, they get them from AutoZone, Advanced Auto, whatever, so I can shrink wrap them when we're done. So these will be what's needed. There it is. To finalize everything, I've got to get these heat shrinked with this lighter, and that should seal it up. Well guys, I think we're good. I think we're done with the headlights today. So basically, both headlights are fully converted to LED. Those are the brights and the actual projector low beams. I think this bulb just needs to be replaced on the other side. See how that one doesn't work? I'm gonna actually turn the car on to see if the turn signals work. Okay, that bulb does not work. The turn signal over here does work, so we're good. All I gotta do is replace the turn signal bulb on right here. I'm gonna turn the amber running light one right here. I went ahead and already did this off camera. I had it kind of put up there and slightly just tacked. So It will be fully tacked here soon, probably in the next few hours. And then while it's doing that, I'm actually gonna fully seal it with Permatex Ultra Black for the rest of it. Here we go. I got some gloves so I wouldn't have to put my hands all in this, which is a bad idea because I hate wearing gloves. I think that's pretty good for the seal. Oh, no. Take some of that off. Yeah. Doesn't look bad at all. Okay. Now we wait 24 hours for it to fully dry and cure before take this out in the rain. Hope you guys learned a lot of stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope you guys didn't see anything that I did that was a little stupid. If you did, it's okay, because we all make mistakes. I'm learning as we go, and I'm literally working with very limited tools, very limited space, no lift, nothing really. And I'm basically rebuilding this S2000. I'm still learning about headlights, about this car, about building cars in general. I've built several cars before, but honestly, I miss my S2000, and this is literally the perfect car for me to rebuild. If you guys liked the video, like, subscribe, comment what you would like me to do, comment what you think I should do, what I should have done, any advice, anything for anybody that owns an S2000 or wants to build an S2000. I know the comments will help if people read them, but I guess until the next episode, I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.